Every farmhouse style explained in 10 minutes. Number 1. Classic American. The classic American farmhouse is the original suburban dream, defined by its simple white wooden siding and a massive wraparound porch. These houses were built to be expanded. As the family grew or the farm became more successful, new wings and gables were added, giving them a charming, asymmetrical look. The steep roof was designed to shed snow, and the tall windows were placed to catch cross breezes in the humid summers. Inside, the heart of the home is always the large eat-in kitchen and a dedicated mudroom for dirty boots. It's a humble, honest design that prioritizes function and comfort above everything else. Number 2. Modern Farmhouse. The modern farmhouse has become a global phenomenon, blending the cozy bones of a traditional farm with ultra-sleek contemporary finishes. You'll see the familiar barn-like shape, but updated with high-contrast elements like black window frames, metal roofs, and giant sliding glass doors. Inside, it's all about the great room, a massive open-concept space with vaulted ceilings and exposed wooden beams. It trades the cluttered, shabby chic look of the past for a clean, minimalist aesthetic with industrial light fixtures and neutral colors. It's the perfect style for someone who wants the nostalgia of the countryside but the luxury of a modern loft. Number 3. English Country. The English country farmhouse is the ultimate cozy aesthetic, characterized by its low ceilings, thick stone walls, and iconic thatched or slate roofs. Unlike the sharp lines of American homes, English farmhouses feel organic, with walls that are often slightly crooked and gardens that overflow with wild roses. They are famous for their inglenook fireplaces, massive stone hearths where the whole family could literally sit inside the chimney area to stay warm. You'll see small, multi-paned windows and heavy oak doors that have been in place for hundreds of years. It's a style that feels deeply rooted in history, designed to feel like a warm hug on a rainy day. Number 4. The French Mas. The Mas is the traditional farmhouse of southern France, built with heavy, sun-baked limestone to stay cool under the Mediterranean sun. These houses are usually built as long, rectangular blocks with very few windows on the north side to protect against the cold Mistral winds. The exterior is usually a soft ochre or beige, topped with reddish clay tiles that have aged over decades. A classic Mas always features a large outdoor terrace shaded by plane trees or vines, emphasizing the French love for outdoor dining. It's a rugged, sun-drenched style that feels incredibly high-end, yet completely unpretentious. Number 5. German Fachhallenhaus, or Low German House, is a unique all-in-one structure where the family, the livestock, and the harvest all lived under one massive roof. These are famous for their intricate half-timbering, where dark wooden beams create beautiful geometric patterns on the white plaster walls. The most iconic feature is the giant Groot door, a massive barn door at the front that allowed wagons to drive straight into the central hall. While they look like something out of a fairy tale, they were masterpieces of engineering, designed to use the heat from the animals to help warm the family's living quarters. Today, these are often converted into stunning, high-ceilinged luxury homes. Number 6. Dutch Colonial. The Dutch colonial farmhouse brought a unique European silhouette to the American landscape, specifically through the gambrel roof. This roof has two slopes on each side, one steep and one shallow, which allowed farmers to have a full second floor of storage or living space without the cost of building full-height walls. You'll often see flared eaves that kick out at the bottom of the roof, protecting the foundation from rainwater. They often feature Dutch doors that open in two halves, allowing the breeze in while keeping the farm animals out. It's a sturdy, efficient, and very symmetrical style that feels both historic and incredibly homely. Number 7. Scandinavian Falu. In Sweden and Norway, the farmhouse is defined by the Falu red color, a deep, earthy crimson that has protected wooden homes from the Arctic cold for centuries. These houses are built with thick vertical wood planks and feature simple, sharp gables to shed heavy snow. Because light is so precious in the north, the interiors are kept bright white with large windows and very few curtains. They are often surrounded by simple wooden fences and traditional stabur or raised granaries. It's a minimalist, high-contrast style that looks absolutely stunning against a backdrop of dark green pines or white snow. Number 8. Spanish Hacienda. The hacienda is the grand farmhouse of the Spanish and Mexican countryside, designed around a central, shaded courtyard. These homes feature thick adobe or stucco walls that absorb the daytime heat and release it slowly at night, keeping the interior temperature perfect. The portales, long, arched walkways, provide a transition between the hot sun and the cool rooms inside. You'll see a lot of colorful hand-painted tiles, wrought iron window grills, and heavy carved wooden doors. It's a style that prioritizes privacy and cooling, creating a hidden oasis in the middle of a dry, dusty landscape. Number 9. Australian Queenslander. The Australian Queenslander is a unique tropical farmhouse designed to breathe in the intense heat of northern Australia. These houses are always raised high off the ground on stumps to allow for air to circulate underneath and to keep out pests and floodwaters. They are surrounded by massive, deep verandas that act as the main living space, protected by large corrugated metal roofs. The interior walls often feature fretwork, decorative wooden vents above the doors to keep the air moving from room to room. It's a lightweight, airy, and very practical design that proves you don't need heavy stone to build a lasting family legacy. Number 10. Industrial Farmhouse. The industrial farmhouse is the latest evolution of the style, taking inspiration from old agricultural warehouses and machinery sheds. These homes often feature all-metal exteriors with corrugated steel or standing seam panels in dark charcoal or black. Inside, you'll find polished concrete floors, exposed steel trusses, and massive crank-open windows that feel more like a factory than a farm. It's a very tough, low-maintenance aesthetic that is perfect for large, modern families who want a massive amount of space. It's the final form of the farmhouse, where the grit of the Industrial Revolution meets the comfort of rural living. From the brick patterns of Germany to the raised stumps of Australia, the farmhouse is a testament to human ingenuity. It's a style that reminds us that no matter how much technology changes, we still crave a home that is connected to the earth.